Hi. It's an interesting day of a birthday and a death anniversary, and and this day has just made me kind of look at the year a little deeper. These are two people who have had a massive impact in my life, and this whole year actually has been about uh, death, life, and rebirth, and. What that essentially means is when I look at the person whose death anniversary it is, I think what I learned from her is don't worry about being perfect, just be brave. And that is such a small thing when you say it, but it's actually such a big thing to live. We all just try to be like great or whatever, right? These great words, positive words, but are we brave? Because bravery actually looks really small and it looks almost like cowardice when you're actually doing it, because bravery could be dealing with something alone, dealing with something with uh, with grace, dealing with something without expressing, dealing with something without making it a burden on the people. And this is another thing that she taught me. She was very clear that life will happen, but never be a burden on anybody. And I have kind of that is I think one of the things I live by. I don't want to be a burden on other people, and that's just who I have become, and I'm actually really proud of it. I think that's a good thing. As humans, we should tread lightly and not put on our burdens on others, because we are conscious beings and we can actually carry this burden ourselves. And the other one, whose birthday it is, what did he teach me? I think he taught me audacity, authenticity, and agency. He knew me at a time when I had none of this actually, and but he had it. And when I was watching him, I was like, okay, this I want. But almost took you like 10-15 years to actually to have these three qualities of audacity. Audacity is nothing but to stay true to your own beat. Authenticity, which is just unlayer, just stop lying, just stop hiding, and just to show yourself. Agency, that we all at times want to feel helpless and like victims and all, but we're not. We are again humans, so conscious beings can create their own reality. So agency is just in the worst of situations, just find a way out. The problem solution approach to life. So imagine you've had people like this. It's been an interesting year. It's been a year of a lot of death. It's been a year of a lot of loss. It's been a year of actually losing layers and layers and layers of years of what you've accumulated. It's losing self. It's losing dreams. It's losing people. But in all of this loss, I've realized that actually I don't care about any of the tangible losses. The roti kapda makan version of reality. All I care about is that that togetherness of two people. That there's a certain quality to you and other, and that quality is what I actually miss, and nothing more. And there is immense amount of gratitude for that. While that thing existed, it made you deeper, it made you better, maybe made you cry, and that's also okay. I think loss and getting something are all part of it, right? I'm looking for a quality of simplicity. I'm looking for a quality of beingness, which I saw in these people whose birth and death is together today, and yeah, and that quality will maybe lead to kind of a rebirth of a person they didn't even know they had such an impact on. How amazing it is.